Yeah. So now next question is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. Now this is a very important question actually. Now you have to see first of all this is there are three type of questions, same question, either cosine sin, cosine cot, and then tan and sec, right? So now what is given here? Cosine sin. What is given here? Cosine sin. So first you have to see that where is the negative sign. Before that sin here. So you divide this complete denominator and numerator by the sin A. Okay. So we write here. First write the left hand side. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Right. So now next step is divide by sin A. Means cos A upon sin A. Getting what I am saying? Divide every term by the sin A minus sin A upon sin A and then 1 upon sin A. I hope it is clear. Same thing we are doing in the denominator. Cos A upon sin A. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Sin A upon what? Sin A and minus 1 upon sin. Right? So cos upon sin we know cot. Cos theta upon sin theta we know cot theta. This is H1 1. Now 1 upon sin A is what? Cosec. Upon same thing here. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Clear beta? Now then you have to change this one. We apply the identity of this one. Okay, it means we write here cot A plus cosec A, this cosec A, and minus 1 means cosec square A minus cot square A. This is the identity of 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 because the question is sin, cot and cosec. So we apply here cosec and cot. Cosec square A minus cot square A. In denominator write that it is without changing anything. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now here you have to apply the identity of A square minus B square. What is you have to apply beta? A square minus B square. What is that? A plus B and yes, as you know, A minus B. So same thing you apply here. Okay. Red pen is so not clear, so I am using the here black pen. Cot A plus cosec A and now cosec A plus cot A and with negative sign cosec A minus cot A. And denominator we don't change, write as it is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And see cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A is as a common. So at the one time up to here is coming out not? Yes. So write the last term. I am not next. I will rub and write once again. So I am writing here last step cot A plus cosec A as a common. Now what is here? 1 is remaining. 1 minus this is minus cosec A plus cot A minus minus become plus and the whole denominator is as it is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we check both are the same bracket, so we can cancel it. Okay. So what is remaining here? Cot A plus cosec A. I am solving the remaining questions at here. So last we are getting here cot A plus cosec A, that is your RHS. Or you can write here first cosec A, no problem, as you write plus cot A. Both are the same thing.
1.
So now next question, 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a in square root equal to sec a plus tan a. Okay, it's quite simple question. So write left hand side square root 1 plus sin a upon what? 1 minus sin a as it is. Then 1 minus sin a, rationalize it, 1 plus sin a. Opposite sign of the denominator, 1 plus sin a, multiply and divide. Now you see, again a plus b whole square, it becomes 1 plus sin a whole square, right? And in denominator, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, as you know, a plus b and a minus b, what is that? A square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b, become a square minus b square. Now 1 plus sin whole square and 1 minus sin square a, you know the identity, it becomes known as the cos square a. You know 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square a. So right here cos square a. Now remove the square root, so 1 plus sin a upon what? Cos a, and that's your RHS. The separate divide 1 by cos a and sin a upon cos a, and finally we got answer, that is sec a and tan a. Just write RHS. Hence
1.
so but our next question is there, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to what? Tan theta. Clear? So once again you write the LHS, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Right? Do the practice with me. Pause the video and then do the practice. Okay, just simply don't watch. Write the same question in your notebook and try it with me, so you feel easier. Here what we take that common? Of course you say in yourself sin theta and 2 sin cube theta. What is common? Sin theta. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, isn't it? Now here what is common? Cos cube and cos. Of course cos is common, so right here cos theta, and of course we get the answer sin over cos. It means our bracket must be cancelled. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? इसका मतलब हमें दोनों ब्रैकेट कैंसिल करना है, दैट्स ऑल. साइन ओवर कोस आपका आंसर आ चुका है, tan थीटा. अब चेंज कैसे करेंगे बेटा? 1 को चेंज कर लो आप, sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा 1 की आइडेंटिटी होती है, माइनस 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा. कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने, खाली साइन को चेंज किया, 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. ओके, आई हैव रिटन 1. Clear? So tan theta cos square theta
Three.
yes. So now here also write here 1 equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so minus 1 means sin square theta minus cos square theta. I have written 1 as a sin square plus cos square, both the place, both the change I want. So cos square minus sin square theta, 2 sin square minus sin square remaining. Now we have 2 cos square minus cos square, what is remaining? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so now you see both numerator and denominator are the same. So cut it, and finally what is your remaining? That you answer 10 means RHS. So both the places you just change this one as a sin square theta plus cos square theta. It's okay beta. So our next question is sin a plus cosec whole square and cos a plus sec whole square equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Now it's quite simple question. Write the left hand side sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Clear? Just open the bracket. A plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That's all. So a and b means, come on, sin square a plus 2 what? Sin a dot cosec a and plus cosec square. Open the bracket. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Same thing here. Cos square a plus 2 cos a dot sec a and sec square a. Now you see here, both are the reciprocal, sin and cosec. So has gone. This also has gone. Now this sin square a and this cos square a becomes 1. So write together. Sin square a plus cos square a. This what is remaining here? 2. This cosec is, we can write here 1 plus cot square a. This is the identity of cosec square a. 1 plus cot square a. Right? Now again, now 2 is remaining here. And this sec is remaining 1 plus tan square a. Again, this I have changed this identity. Sec. Okay, in this cosec. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus cot square a, or you can write it tan square a plus cot square a, and that you are required RHS, hence true.
1.
Okay, beta. So pause the video and try yourself. Okay, again see the next question. Question number 9. Cosec a minus sin a, then sec a minus cos a equal to, we have to prove 1 plus tan a cot a. Right? We start from left hand side. This is one of the step. You write the left hand side. Cosec a minus sin a and what? Sec a minus cos a. Now change the same ratio. Cos means 1 upon sin. Cosec means 1 upon sin. Minus sin a. Right? Same thing apply here. Sec means, okay, come on, tell yourself. Sec means 1 by cos. 1 by cos a and minus cos a. Clear? So now sin is the LCM. 1 minus sin square a. And now what is here? 1 minus cos square a upon cos a. Okay? So 1 minus sin square means cos square a upon sin a. And 1 minus cos square means sin square a upon cos a. Cos square, cos is gone. Sin square, sin a is gone. What is remaining here? Cos a sin a. Dot sin a. Now this time we have to solve the RHS also, because we are not getting RHS. So solve the RHS once again. 1 upon tan a plus cot a. Right? So write tan means sin upon cos a plus cot means cos a upon sin. Alright? So this is LCM. Sin square a plus cos into cos, cos square a, and this is the upon cos a sin a. So cos square sin square is 1. So 1 upon 1 means cos a dot sin a. This is 1 upon. It becomes cos a into sin a. And this way we are getting both sides are equal. So LHS equal to what? RHS. Okay. Here we have to change tan sin upon cos, what? Cos upon sin. Then LCM sin square into cos square a. Sin square will use 1. Then divide denominator in the fraction multiplication. So becomes cos a into sin.
3.
Now see the last question. Okay, that is 1 plus 10 square a upon 1 plus code square a equal to 1 minus 10 upon 1 minus code whole square equal to 10 square a. This time we have both LHS and RHS, and then we get the 10 square a. So first we take left hand side. What is written here? 1 plus 10 square a, okay, upon 1 plus 4 square a. 1 plus 10 means, you know, sec square a, and 1 plus code means cos square a, means 1 upon cos square. Sec means 1 upon cos, and cosec means sine, 1 upon sine. Okay, just put the value of sec and cosec. It becomes sin square upon cos square gives to you 10 square. At the same time, so the RHS, that is 1 minus 10 a upon 1 minus cot a whole square. So now change it. 1 minus 10, okay, 1 minus 1 upon 10, what means 1 upon 10? Whole square. So 1 minus 10 as it is, no change, right? Now LCM, 10a minus 1 into 10a. Now the very important step is here. You see, this 1 minus 10a and now 10a minus 1. So we have taken minus as a common, and write here 10a minus 1 upon 10a minus 1 into what? 10a whole square. Clear? Now he has gone minus 10 bracket whole square is due to you 10 square a. Both we are getting equal to 10 square a, and therefore LHS equal to RHS equal to this to 10 square a. Hence proof.